Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can remove your friends at once on Snapchat. So as you can see, I have a lot of friends and I want to delete all of them. Okay, but in on Snapchat, this option is not available. I search on internet and read various articles and I find the solution. So the solution is this is the solution. Snapchat does not show the all selection or select option on your friends tab, and all you can do to remove all friends, removing every friend one by one. So to delete or remove multiple friends on Snapchat at once, you just have to delete your Snapchat account totally by going to Snapchat help from your browser. Okay, and you can complete the account process, delete process from your mobile or PC browser. And after 30 days you can get a new Snapchat account with all deleted chats and friends that you have. So how you can delete your account on Snapchat? Just click here and here you have to write sport Snapchat. You will see this option, this first website. Just click on it. Here you will see the option my account and security, and click on delete my account. Here is all the process of deleting the account. You have to contact suppose to let us know what's up. Okay, this is the account portal and you have to uh, enter your username and password in order to delete your Snapchat account. And after 30 days you can create a new account with your fresh ID. The same username that you have, you can make this username again and all your friends will be deleted. Hope you like this little tutorial on how to delete multiple friends at once on Snapchat. If you have any question related to Snapchat account, you can ask me in the comment section. Bye bye.